In the world of search engines, relevance is everything. Imagine searching for treatment options for diabetes and getting results about car repairs instead. Frustrating, right? That's where domain-aware ranking models comes into play. These models customize search rankings based on specific domains like medical, legal, or finance, ensuring you get results that actually matter. Now, what are domain-aware ranking models? Domain-aware ranking models are advanced algorithms that understand the context of a specific industry or domain. Unlike generic ranking systems, they focus on what's truly relevant to the topic, making search results more precise and useful. Here is how they make a difference. Medical domain prioritize peer-reviewed studies, credible hospitalities, and verified health information. Legal domain ranks authoritative case law, legal blogs, and regulatory updates higher. Finance domain shows credible finance advice, stock analysis, and investment guides first. Why domain-aware models matter? Traditional ranking systems often struggle to differentiate between domain-specific content and generic content. This can lead to irrelevant search results, wasted time, and poor user experience. Domain-aware models solve this by understanding domain-specific terminology and jargon, recognizing trusted sources, authoritative content with the domain, customizing rankings to match user intent, more accuracy. In short, these models ensures that users find exactly what they are looking fast and efficiently. Now, how it works? Domain-aware ranking model uses a combination of machine learning, semantic understanding, and domain expertise. It is a simple breakdown. Domain identification. The model identifies the subject matter of the query, medical, legal, and financial, etc. Number 2. Relevance scoring. It scores potential results based on domain-specific relevance, authority, and accuracy. Number 3. Ranking customizations. The highest scoring results are prioritized, giving users highly targeted answers. Number 4. Continuous learning. The model improves over time by analyzing and user interactions by feedbacks. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Domain-aware ranking models. These models are specifically valuable for professionals, industries that rely on precise and authoritative information. Higher relevance. Users see results tailored to their domain-specific needs. Better decision making. Professionals get accurate information quickly. Increased trust. Users can rely on search results to deliver credible and domain-specific sources. Enhance user experience. Less frictions and wasted time searching through irrelevant content. Now, where they are used? Domain-aware ranking models are becoming crucial across industries. Healthcare platforms use them to rank medical research and treated options. Legal databases employ them to highlight the relevant case laws and status. Financial services leverage them to deliver investment insights and stock analysis. Even e-commerce and educational platforms are starting to use domain-aware ranking to show contextually relevant products and learning materials. In today's information overloaded world, getting relevant results quickly is essential. Domain-aware ranking models make that possible by tailoring rankings to specified domains, improving accuracy, trust, and user satisfactions. If you like the video, comment down below, hit the like button, and wait for the next one.